Hi, everyone. If you're learning English, you've probably made some of these mistakes, and that's okay. Today, I'll show you 10 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Let's get started. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. Which one is correct? Let's see why. In English, we use am or is to talk about age. So say, I am 25 years old, or just I'm 25. Quick tip. Think of it like describing yourself. You say, I am tall. So you also say, I am 25. He go to school every day. He goes to school every day. Which one is correct? In English, when you're talking about he, she, or it, third person singular, you need to add s or es to the verb in the present simple tense. Here are some examples. She play the piano. She plays the piano. It work well. It works well. He drive to work. He drives to work. Now it's your turn to try saying the correct sentences. Here's another common English mistake. He doesn't like coffee. He don't like coffee. Which one is correct? When we use he, she, or it, we need to use doesn't, not don't, in negative sentences. Don't is for I, you, we, they. Doesn't is for he, she, it. Remember, the word doesn't is a shortened form of the two words, does not. She has a dog brown. She has a brown dog. Which one is correct? In English, adjectives come before nouns. So we say brown dog, not dog brown. Here are some examples. This is a blue car. This is a black cat. She has a pink hat. He has a blue pen. Remember to practice saying these sentences. The weather is very good. It is very good weather. Which one is correct? When we describe something, we usually follow this sentence pattern. Subject plus be verb plus adjective. The weather is very good. Here are some examples. The weather is nice. The weather is cold. The weather is hot today. Try to say the above sentences yourself. Now let's look at have and get. I have a car. I get a car. Which one is correct? I have a car means you own the car. It's yours. I'm getting a car means you are receiving or buying a car, now or in the future. So, I have a job. You already work there. I got a job. You received it in the past. I'm getting a job. You're about to start one soon. I will go to the store tomorrow. I must go to the store tomorrow. Let's see why. Here's another small mistake that can change the meaning of your sentence. Some learners say, I must go to the store tomorrow, but they really mean, I will go to the store tomorrow. What's the difference? Must means you have to do something. There is no choice. It's a strong obligation. I must go to work today. I have no choice. I have to go. But if you're simply talking about your plans or something that will happen in the future, use will go. I will go to the store tomorrow. This is just what you're planning to do. I didn't went to the store. I didn't go to the store. This is one of the most common grammar mistakes in English. Some people say, I didn't went to school yesterday, but that's not correct. The right sentence is, I didn't go to school yesterday. Why? Because after didn't or did not, we always use the base form of the verb, not the past tense. The word did already shows the past, so you don't need to change the verb again. So, I didn't go. You didn't eat. She didn't call. Remember this rule. Didn't plus base verb, always. So let's take a look at all the correct sentences together. Let's go! I am 25 years old. He goes to school every day. He doesn't like coffee. She has a brown dog. The weather is very good. I will go to the store tomorrow. I have a car. I didn't go to the store. Now you try. Nice work! The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. Remember, don't be afraid to speak. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's learning English too. And tell me in the comments, which mistake do you make the most? See you in the next lesson.